the same way every time. I like organizing my palette in the spectrum of the rainbow, but you can organize your palette any way you like. Organizing your palette the same way every time allows you to always know where your paint are, and the placement of your paint will become like second nature to you. You won't have to stumble around to find your paints. This will help you keep your train of thought, help you paint more confidently, and will even help you mix paint. Next, you will want to organize your palette in a circle or an oval, leaving room in the middle to paint on. Let me demonstrate. So, to summarize, always organize your palette the same way, and organize your palette in a circle or an oval, leaving room in the middle to mix on. And that is how you can organize a palette to paint. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram under Artwork by Haley, and visit my website at HaleySellmeyer.com. Keep creating!